gang? Coming back at y'all with another video. So I'm on the road right now. Going to pick my dog Rube up right quick. We got to shoot the Gulfport, Mississippi. His truck died in Mississippi this weekend, so we got the alternator for him. And I tell you, boy, look, I be, man, the list price is fucking $800. I got it for $350. So if you was to take it to the shop, they would charge you like upwards to $800 on a part. Woo! So I'm gonna cut you off when I'm picking his ass up. You know what I'm saying? Then get active. Got him some coffee right quick. Y'all look at my phone. That bit hit. Gee whiz. Hey, shout out to them boys in 518. You know what I mean? We was going hammer on the duty. Last night we was on duty last night, so my dog Lee, his name King Lee 504. So I'm like, you know, we got 504 in the building. You know what I mean? So they was like 518. 518. Shout out to them Florida boys. You know what I mean? All right, thank you. Oh. That boy said, shit, but I got 16. I got a 16. I got 16 racks on right now. Boys, I got a $8,000 Cuban link on right now. I got fucking like 40 bands on right now. Big old chopstick. That bill was, I think that boy name was Lil 518 and Lil Woo. You know what I mean? Shout out to them boys, you know what I'm saying? All right, gang, we done made it out here. We had that Advance alternator XL 50. Might get it right and get us back to the city. Alright, you want to disconnect your negative terminal. Get this belt off. 15mm socket right down here. So the alternator is 2 bolts that's holding it down. 2 15mm bolts. One right here. Another one right here.
So I gotta shoot for, you see, she wanted to shoot for, but she wanted to just say, so I had to shoot for support that nigga.
Alright, where we out? We got the old one, about to put the new one in. Make sure you gotta take that door tension off. 2 15mm bolts, 13, and an electrical connector, and you're good to go. And I had to pull it out from the bottom. So just be aware, you got to pull it from the bottom. If you can't fish out the top, it was easier from the bottom than the top for me. Got some construction work going on, so it's a little loud. But you know, before you replace the alternator, you want to disconnect your battery. Flathead screwdriver, take this off, and take the hose, breather hose thing. Once you get that, then the alternator, belt tensioner, and a pulley, get all that off. And let's see what we got. Alright, let's see. Keep that. Alright, see if we built for it up. It sure is, baby. We built for it up, baby. I must make it happen, baby. Let's see, go to gauge mode. Gauge. I don't know what gauge mode is. Alright. Good to go. Alright, gang, job complete. Oh, is it complete or? Hello? You see that boy? We in fucking Biloxi, Gulfport, fuck. Behind the track, Hulk? I seen a track car, they wanted $20,000, 20,000 down for that bitch. I'm like, dang. Ooh, it's hot out here. Yeah, it's hot. The car running hot. What you got going on, man? So we got a thermostat. Replace and a thermostat. So 2 bolts right here, bang, bang. You ain't gotta take this off, so come out. You're gonna put one in, and that's it. Alright, so in this 5.7 Dodge Challenger, a few parts have been replaced so far. I noticed on these vehicles, the coolant reservoir, like around here, it gets real brittle. So that was replaced. Water pump, and now we're doing the thermostat. So yeah, let's get it.
I was like, for your truck, he was just like, no. I guess he trying to do like the pickup shit like Coach be doing.
Wow. Alright, man, we test driving right now. We right under the middle line, so we're at operating temperature. Alright. Hold up, I forgot this thing. I forgot it don't work. I can't put my seatbelt. But yeah, but we test driving right now. Make sure everything is good. I'm gonna test drive it a little bit. Make sure we all good before I give it back. See, I didn't hit the horn. Pop up. What was that, baby? See, when I'm in a Hyundai, they ain't even looking back. So I'm in a Challenger. They trying to see what's up. Oh, now you wanna fuck with me now? But yeah, man. I got a few eyes right quick looking at me. Yeah. They like, I'm on that bar right now.